next lesson of the sad story of scales, we'll be learning the same skill we did the last time, not under your hand, but it will be a different pattern. And now the whole essence why I'm showing you this different pattern is to show you the possibilities, the numerous or the multiple or uncountable things you can do when playing a chord progression. There's just so much you can do. What I'm basically doing is showing you the possibilities you have when you're playing chords. So watch me. This is fa. Then you go to your do. Watch me now. Did you see what I did? In the last lesson we started from saw, but your hand is already in the saw chord, so instead of starting from the bottom, you can start from the top. Let's go again. This time we'll do it on La. Do you see that? We started from the top. Right now we did both bottom and top. We did both saw and la chord and started from the top, from top to bottom. So basically that's that. You can always manipulate it. So whenever you're playing or probably improvising, you know that, okay, I can start from the top, I can start from the bottom. You can actually start from anywhere. You can start from the middle. Did you see that? Okay, so I went from fa to do. When I got to saw, and the middle of the chord is T, right? And I went to the right. I could have as well done any pattern. I went started from the middle, went to the bottom first before I went to the top. So the first time I did, the second time I started from the middle, went to my right, went to my left, then went there. Sorry, the saw chord.